Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your phone supports 2 SIMs, physical plus eSIM or 2 nano SIMs, because hardware limits determine the workflow. Once confirmed, power the device down to avoid short circuits and insert each SIM into its labeled slot. Make sure the nano SIMs sit flush in the tray. You should also back up contacts and essential settings now so you can restore if anything goes wrong. After reinserting, power on and proceed to the system settings to recognize both modules. You now configure how each SIM behaves. Go to Settings, then SIM Cards or Network and Internet, where both lines should appear. Set which SIM handles mobile data, which handles calls and SMS, or opt to be asked each time. This controls billing and signal priorities. Next, edit each SIM's APN and preferred network mode so carriers register correctly. This is why calls or data sometimes fail. Finally, label SIMs for clarity and enable LTE on the line you want. You finish by testing both SIMs. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data on each line to confirm registration. Once working, assign a preferred SIM to frequently contacted people and monitor battery use because dual radios can increase drain. If service fails on one line, first try swapping SIM slots to rule out a tray/contact issue, then reset the APN or manually select the network. This simple troubleshooting step often resolves registration problems without factory resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.